Okay, going to do a little marketing breakdown on this nonprofit website. No big complaints on this. I'm not going to be brutal like I would with a business website anyway, but this website does a great job. They start off with an interview from a young lady, very emotional, very motivational, her success story through the program. And at the end of the video, they have a call to action. Down below here, you can see they got two more testimonials from these women. Little quotes right there to lead you into the video. And down below, you got some sponsors, which creates authority and trust. If the United Way supports this group, maybe as a small business owner, I would too. You got MARTA, Head Start, big names that promote authority and social proof that this is a good organization. OurHouseGeorgia.org. Only problem I saw right here, these two pictures, great photo, but you can't hardly read the text here. It makes it hard to read. Could clean that up on the design. And also, you'll notice the donate button here. As you scroll up through the website and scroll down, this never moves. This is the main point right here because it never moves. That's very smart to keep that on the page at all times. And when you click on it, I'll show you one more thing that's smart if you run a nonprofit. Instead of just leaving this blank where you can pick your own number to donate, the easier you can make things for somebody on a website, the better. So in other words, I don't have to type 500 in. I don't have to type 250 or 50 in. All I can do is click on a button and go down here and donate. They make it as easy as possible for people to donate. And another thing, they have this as the default, $50. All right, so that's the default. So it makes it easy to give a pretty good amount for an individual, but it also anchors this number in your mind. So if you can't give 50, 25 sounds like a great deal because it's half the price of the $50. That's a little psychological trick or hack, however you want to describe it. But anyway, $50 makes $25. Given $25 sound a lot less of an ask. So good tip right there. Overall, great website. If you run a nonprofit website, look to those little tips and maybe you could use those too.